I know you want to come out, but you can't. Cats really want to come out. I know. You're cute. There's the human. What's the betting? That's a rooster. How big it is. We've got 17 chickens. I turned around and they were right behind me. I know. I know. I can't let you out. I really, really can't. There's Duck. He saved some chickens. She kept quacking yesterday. It started raining. It was torrential. And she came around and she was just going quack, 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 quack. Quacking her little heart out over here, around the corner though. And I couldn't catch her, and then I knew, I counted the chickens, I was missing 4. And then I heard this little peep, 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 peep. And the chickens were hiding behind this little thing, sheltered, and I got them all out. And then we all came walking back and Duck was fine. Well, Duck is called Delilah. I'm sorry, Delilah. They're so cute. They're all around me. There's another rooster. I'm just going on their size because they've grown like extraordinarily. And I just need to be very careful because when they go around the back there could be goannas. But we're getting geese on the weekend. Should be. My friend's going to an auction and she's going to get two geese for us. If there are any, but there should be. Because they'll keep the goannas away. Aren't they amazing? They're so darn cute. Don't go into the grass. You're all getting very, very brave. They're pretty good. Don't go back in the bathtub, Ducky. No, darling. Okay, I'll end it here. This is Delilah. And that's a rooster for sure. That one there. It's just growing so massively compared to the other chicks. It's just taken off. So depending on, they're so cute down there. Because there was one that I've kept track of them and their sizes, and I'm just watching them. And there's 2 that I would say I can tell are roosters. The others are kind of all growing at the same rate, and yeah, I'm gonna go and just hang out with them and get my son and see if he wants to hang out with me in That's good. Ah, it's such a happy time. I love birds. I am just so happy to have them. I'm talking still. I just look at this. We've got 4 female Peking ducks coming that are definite, like they're older. Because I've got 3 more ducks coming from my friend, 2 muscovies and 1, actually I lied, I've got 5 more ducks. We've got Delilah's little friend coming that she was hatched with. I just need a car. And that's a long story. And then we've got a muscovy drake called Bandit. He's very friendly and he'll follow us around. And then there's 2 muscovy ducklings and 1 Peking duckling. And so what I'm doing is I'm actually buying 4 Peking ducks that I know are female, so that I hope they make noise if there's a predator. I let them out because it's so wet and miserable. I'm hoping that Guana won't come down here. And so we're farming ducks, chickens, guinea fowl, and I've got 6 more keeps coming, then a whole other bunch. We'll end up with over 20 guinea fowl. We'll have about 10 ducks and 17 chickens and 2 geese. And the geese can breed and see what happens with the geese. Don't go up there, he's really scaring me. I can't really do much about it except to put electrical poultry netting around, but I want them to be free range, but they're really little. Oh, good. She kind of bosses everyone. She's so cute. There's that rooster. See the difference in the sizes with him and the others? Thanks for watching.